Okay, hi everyone. See, life, I believe, is like a roller coaster ride with its ups and downs, twists and turns. And what happens, whoever goes for that ride is either afraid, is screaming with terror, or is screaming with excitement, right? So life is like that. Why? There is a reason. Do you know that during fear and excitement, the same hormones are secreted in the body? Is anyone aware? One hormone is adrenaline and the other hormone is cortisol. Both these hormones have the same effect on the body. Actually, we have a choice. In a situation, either we can be afraid or we can be excited. It is a choice we have, but we choose to be afraid because the genes that we have in our bodies, for years, millions of years, we are carrying those genes of fears. So the first reaction is always that of fear, okay? But if we change our way of thinking and we say, no, I'm not going to let myself be afraid, let me be excited about this, and you will become excited. You just have to reframe your thought, and what you tell yourself is very important. If you say, I'm afraid, I'm afraid, I'm afraid, you will remain afraid. But if you say, I'm not going to allow myself to be afraid, and you will not be afraid.